Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make creamy keema. Begin by heating oil, frying whole spices, and sautéing onions until golden brown to build flavor. Add ground meat, break it up, and cook until no longer pink. Stir in tomatoes, ground spices, and simmer gently to concentrate flavors before adding cream or yogurt for richness and a silky finish that clings to each grain or bread bite. Heat oil, add bay leaf, cumin seeds, and whole peppercorns for a fragrant base, then remove bay leaf before finishing. Sauté finely chopped onions until deep golden for sweetness that offsets tangy tomatoes. Add minced ginger and garlic and cook until raw smell disappears. Stir in powdered spices and let them bloom briefly in the hot oil to avoid bitterness, then combine with meat so each bite carries layered, warm spice notes. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipe content. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes post-cooking cleanup effortless, and it navigates around crumbs like a pro. It's a small time saver that keeps your kitchen tidy so you can focus on cooking. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Lower the heat and fold in cream or whisked yogurt slowly to avoid splitting, creating a velvety texture that coats the meat. Taste and adjust salt, and add a squeeze of lemon to cut through richness and lift flavors. Sprinkle chopped cilantro and sliced green chilies for color and a fresh, spicy kick. Let the keema rest briefly off heat so flavors meld, then serve warm with your preferred starch or bread.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.